Hello everyone, welcome to interview.com. Um, in today's video, I'll be talking about what are the best resources that you should buy and start reading for preparing for Java interview. So, uh, these are the three books: First Java, SCJP, and Java J2E Job Interview Companion, written by Arul Kumaran. So these are the best three books that you can start. For example, if you have an experience of 2 years to 5 years, you can start with Java J2E Java Job Interview Companion by Arul Kumaran. And if there are any doubts, you can go and read Headfirst Java. Headfirst Java, and if you want to know more deep knowledge, if you want to have more knowledge on the concepts, say for example why strings are immutable, if you want to know what is the reason, what's the difference between abstract class and interface. Okay, so if you have 2 years of experience, the interviewer might ask what is the difference between abstract class and interface. But if you are a 5 years, when to use, why to use, what is the advantage of using it. Okay, so you should know. So for 2 years of experience, they'll ask, is Java, does Java supports pass by value or pass by reference? So if you can answer in two statements, that it is always pass by value. But for 5 years experience, you should explain the interviewer clearly. So for that, you should read SCJP, how hash map works. So you go and read SCJP. What are the hash map allows, whether it allows null or not. So what is the performance hit when you use hash map, or does it improve the performance? So these type of questions can be answered by SCJP. So see friends, I want here to help you by giving these books names so that you can start reading. And I'm sure that if you read these three books and attend an interview, you can clear 80% of the questions. You can answer your Java interview, and you can clear your Java interview very easily. So please go ahead and buy. If you're not able to buy, please download this from online and start reading these books. These are the best books, Java interviews, which I've seen. So start reading it before you go for interview. Okay, hope this video is helpful for you. For more Java interview questions and answers, log on to interview.com. There are a lot of questions, thousands of questions I have placed in my website. It is India's top interview guide. Thank you for watching this video. All the best for your interview. Thank you.